Hello, welcome to my week 7 for the weekly summary. And I just want to talk about this past week where all we did was just assembling a smart card kit following the instruction. So the overall, no, sorry, not the overall. On Monday, we get to choose our own project partner. And I chose to decide to stay with the same people because I really like the chemistry that we are having. And so starting off on Monday, we were introduced to the Smart Car Kit project. Well, it's not really the main project, but it's an insight on the robot project that we are going to build. So for entire Monday, we just following this instruction manual on how to put the kit together. And we were kind of behind because it was just only me and my other group mate. And that's it for Monday. And on Tuesday, that's where we really pick things up. We got to put the wheel together. And we almost get to the point of soldering each of the wire together. So it was a pretty good progress for being my group. And the overall, I think soldering is pretty hard and dangerous, but it takes some time to really master the skill of soldering, which is good because it is something to know for this next robot project. I learned a lot of stuff about building a car. It is pretty cool how just little wire just connected together to the main circuit board really make the car going, which I'm really excited to see for this next weekend. But outside of class, I did some looking into my STEAM project. I would say I'll put about 2 or 3 hours into engineering outside of class, just so I can do the neat resources, get all my discussion done. And yeah, I'm really excited for this next week to come. Thank you.